Welcome all my today's listeners. So this is my first live unboxing of the newest, maybe not the newest, but one of the latest releases from WKing, the WKing T8 second edition. I never tested the first version, or maybe it's just the naming, but yeah, it suggests that this is the second version, the somehow upgraded one. And today's competitors to it will be the classic FIFA Helsinki and the Extreme 4, which I don't really like, but hey, it's popular and people really like it, so yeah, why not? So I already count the tapes here, so you won't have to see me struggle with it. This. Yeah, this. Let's get it away. So I put some music so you or maybe feel a bit more cozy. So this is how the packaging looks like. So you'll be able to have immediate, whatever, listen. What's that? Some maybe cable. I hope it's charged. I mean, it's been sitting under my desk for a month, so I'm already quite a bit late with the unboxing. Hey, maybe we can, maybe it's not going to be that bad. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, look, it's actually pretty similar to the Helsinki, but hey, it's much bigger. Look, so this is a bit loose. I will have to tell them that this is a bit, it doesn't stay so on the FIFA. It can nicely stay like this. Yeah, it looks really cool with that color. So I mean, I don't know what's that, graffiti. Hey, look, no passive radiator, but a base reflex. Wow, interesting. I think it's the best looking speaker from WKing so far. So here on the back you will turn on. So here whatever you have here, USB, aux, USB-C, and Bluetooth. Yeah. So let's turn it on. I have no idea if you can see this. I actually have an idea because I have. Does it turn on? Maybe you have to press it for longer. Yeah, now it turned on. Oh yeah, the classic clicking sounds. Slightly more. Let me try to immediately connect to it. So I'm now connected to this. So yeah, maybe let's immediately start with the first track. So yeah, volume around. No idea what volume is this. Yeah, like 30 something percent. So Helsinki is playing in its boosted mode. Yeah, so there's something hollow to it. But hey, this goes the bass. So definitely the V5 is much more hi-fi, but hey, it's the normal price for it is like maybe 450 bucks. And it's even discontinued now, so yeah, you cannot really get it. Maybe let's play some jazz.
Bo choć to niepowszednie, mam taki zwyczaj, że sypiam we dnie. W krew wszedł mi z dawna obyczaj ten, nocy szkoda mi na sen. A jeśli kolejną kreacją pan błyśnie mym
So it's actually not bad. I would say it's definitely better than most of the WKing speakers. I mean, X20 without having EQ sounds like a horrible. X20S is some hollow mess.
mocnej
And this sounds kind of normal. So yeah, if you want the best sounding W King speaker, then yeah, I think this is your option. This is your only option, technically.
Resztę powiem ci we śnie.
Yeah, but that also sounds a bit hollow. Maybe let's try this one. Let's play them slightly louder. So let's get to 55% on double kick. Yes, yes. Yeah, around 40%.
Najtrudniejszym wyzwaniom przesłanie moje proste i nie skazi terenne, a wszystkie inne treści to państwa cholerne w dzisiejszych czasach roi się.
So I think the W King has even more trouble.
Banki finansa jest szranki na słowe rymowanki, to nie jest żart, ani nie są to przepałki. Chęć walki i frustracja moich słów, manifestacja to bełkot czy racjonalne myślenie. Daję to krytyce oraz waszej ocenie. Jak melodia, przez nie trzeba iść przebojem. Nie patrząc na truby, nie patrząc na znoje. Jest zawsze to twoje, to co ci się należy. Wygrywa tylko ten, który mocno w to wierzy.
Yeah, actually, funnily enough, these are some muddy compared. Yeah, but maybe there's some M buttons. Let's find out. Yeah, but that is. Is there any sound mode? I don't think so. I think it's just one sound mode. So, whatever. How about we get an everything, because you see that the D5 is quite a bit smaller. Probably cannot compare at high volumes. So I won't play them at high volumes now. So that's what I have my static videos for. Let's get it out of the Hey, I actually think double kick sounds slightly better. I don't like the hollow character of the Extreme 4. Let's try this one. Boom. Get slightly louder. Hey, I don't think it's really that loud. Or half volume. Yeah, I think W King sounds actually slightly better.
Waking up to a greedy world.
This. So it gets slightly more distinct on them. Yeah, I love this. Similar sounding, but yeah, I would say the tremolo is slightly better than the double kick. So maybe the extreme was a bit more bass, then yeah, I think it's better. not be quite sure if you can hear me. I mean, yeah, probably doing some Smith is slightly nicer, but doesn't have the bass of the Eastern Fall. I would say even the Vita Helsinki could be a nicer rival for it. Yeah, let's try this one. It's really basic, right? So you need to know that in this place I have a 44 Hz dip. That's why I don't usually record here. Let's take maximum for a moment. Yeah, you can see bass reflects bass balls, etc. Put it out all the way. Yeah, it's not loud. Also, it's maybe more comparable to the Viva. So I'll have to switch the Viva to maybe neutral right now.
Woke up this morning feeling good about my love for you. Went to surprise you, do something to make you feel good.
That's really
Came to your place where you had left for work.
yeah, you can already hear it's salting.
Guess you've been texting, now I'm curious.
I'll now connect to my Android phone and switch them all to neutral. First set, yeah, let's go neutral. Now it's really fun when it's sounding. Let's see if we can crank it up. Oh, Double King, I think it's slightly more powerful. Yeah, let's get max, both to max. Yeah, it's really screaming. Yeah, I think Double King has slightly more bass. Or even maybe slightly louder. So I think that's enough. So you can see that it's actually a nice competitor to the Viva Helsinki in power. So it's maybe slightly louder than the Viva Helsinki and maybe slightly more bassy. But I would say they are both quite comparable. But hey, look at the size of the Viva Helsinki and the TH2. I mean, this is a big difference. So yeah, I think they took some inspiration from this. Though that strip is new. I don't know if it's actually reacting to the volume. No, I thought it would nicely show the volume going up, like it does on Triple Blast, where you got the lights on the side, and when you crank up the volume, they will flash, let's say. So now you can hear the bass. Yeah, now you've got the bass. So it does actually play quite deep. Let's try looking at some. Let's try playing maybe some Signal Gen. This is 42. Yeah, so I mean I've got a dip somewhere here. So I've got a dip here, but it does play 60 Hz easily. Something even from a 37. Yeah, so the bass reflex still reacts. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah, well, I think that's it. So wait for longer videos, maybe more static ones, let's say, than this one. The next video is probably gonna be unboxing of this thing, which is from DB Sono. Again, another speaker from DB Sono. This is the DB Sono DBX Blast F37 from what I remember. This is the small one that looks like Bose Flex. Yeah, see, now I have to go down. Yeah, but I think that's it. Yeah, fix the handle. Maybe you can somehow, yeah, readjust it, but it's a bit too wiggly. It's a bit too wiggly. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.